Furniture maker injured during home invasion. Senior citizen chops 15-year-old boy in heated argument. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. A 44-year-old furniture maker from St. Mary survived an attempt on his life after an armed man invaded his house about 11 p.m. on Tuesday. According to police reports, the man and his children were at home when a gunman entered through the unlocked front door, pointed a gun at him, and said, "You may come for." As he struggled with the man in an effort to defend himself and his family, it is reported that another man entered the house and hit the homeowner over his head. The homeowner fell to the ground and his attackers fled. Before leaving, the armed man reportedly fired, hitting the victim on his left hand. The intruders escaped on foot. The injured man was taken to the Anatomy Hospital where he was treated. The Anatomy police are investigating. An elderly man has been charged with wounding with intent after he allegedly chopped a teenager with a machete during an altercation in Sandy Bay, Hanover on Monday. Charged is 67-year-old Igal Streets, otherwise called Border, a carpenter of Montpelier district in the community. It is reported that about 3:07 p.m., Streets and a 15-year-old had an altercation which escalated, and the teen was chopped by Streets with a machete. He was assisted to hospital where he was treated and released. A report was made to the police and a statement collected from the teen which implicated Streets. The police stated Streets was subsequently arrested and charged.